vacuum cleaner, breathing in your dust. I wanna be a Vorkasina, I will never rush. If you like a coffee hug, let me be your coffee pot. You call the shots, babe, I just wanna be yours. The secrets I have held in my heart are harder to hide than I thought. Maybe I just wanna be yours. I 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 wanna be yours. Let me be your lucky meter, and I'll never run out. Let me be the portable heater, but you're never cold without. I wanna be your shedding lotion, hold your hair in deep.
Minsan, hindi lang naman what if. Tinatanong ko rin kayo kung alam mo yung feeling na nawawalan na siya ng gana sa'yo. At alam kong alam na alam mo yung feeling na yun kasi talagang ngayon nawawalan na siya ng gana sa'yo. Pero hindi mo maamin, di ba? Hindi mo maamin na ikaw na lang ang tagabuhay ng conversation nyo. Kakapagod mag-isip ng topic, no?
When do we start?
What if ikaw lang naman yung nag-a-assume na gusto ka niya? What if ganun lang talaga yung ugali niya? What if friendly? What if caring? What if yun talaga siya?
Please, wag kang
What if